Okay, you guys, so this is the Conair Kit for the clipper and the guards that I'm going to be using. And then it comes like this. It has this pack over here with a different number of the guards. It has the clippers. It comes with a comb, with the clips, the oil for the blades, and the scissors, shears. Oh yeah, baby. And also, so yeah, instructions. What is this? This probably is like the kit that you put in so that way the hair doesn't get on you. But that's all it comes with, instructions and the clipper itself. So that's what I'm going to be using to shave my head. I don't know how short I'm going to go yet. I'm planning on going really short. I don't think it's going to be like scalp. I think I'm going to leave about like 2 to 3 inches. We'll see. Pooh, you want to be there? Okay. Pooh, hello guys. Alright, there you go, baby. There you go. And a little bit, okay? So that's what I'm going to be using. And I only got it mainly for the shaving, so I like that it came with extra stuff, because I probably might need the scissors since my hair is so freaking tangled up in a mess right now. I'm ready. I'm super ready. Yes, right now. I think for sure. It's not hitting myself. And it's right now smoothly. I just like a and so I think I'm gonna do this one now. And I'll come back. Okay, I'm gonna leave it, wash it, glue it, and then I'm going to see how it looks. So it's not everything. Because I like how it looked before on this. I just like it curls up and it was bleached and it has like a nice soft pink color. Look like a rosebud. It's like curly like a rose.
Oh my god. Yeah, I think I got a little too low, but whatever.
Well, this is too, but it's okay. I just a little bit more, but I like this. Hey, Daddy. Just make sure you get even. Okay, baby. I see what they're doing. Mommy bald.
Oh, yeah.
I'm bald Barbie.
I'm bald.
I'm bald Barbie now.
I'm definitely bald.
Actually, my head. So we do a turn out, yes. So